Happy New Year, guys！ 新年快樂，心想事成。Today is 大年初二 and tonight at 8 o'clock there's a firework, right? 23 minutes. And then we are planning to go there. So I already set up stuffs. So the camping chair and the mat. We're gonna go there, set it up. We're gonna arrive there like 5. Right now we're outside Fusion. They went into Fusion to buy some chips and water. Final push, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna head to the Tamar Park. Well, walking to the harbor now. Yeah, all set. Hope not much people are there. Just set up our chair and our mat, and we're pretty much in the front seat. Yeah, pretty fun. Check it out. So this is where we are, and this is the wheel. Yeah, damn nice, right? To the right and to the left. Right? You can see Wan Chai and you can see Central. Whoa, sangria. Thank you.
My chair now.
Time now is 7:27. Final push, huh? Eating now and then 33 minutes more. Yeah. Exactly 1 more minute from now. And then we're gonna check it out, the fireworks.
20 minutes of fireworks.
Where we're gonna sit down, right? Like this, sitting down.
It's gonna be so wild.
Hey Daniel, say hi. Say hi.
Huh?
Hi. Almost time. Oh. The firework. Happy New Year, guys! 新年快樂，心想事成。Just a few.